Hey guys, welcome to TeachSpear YouTube channel, and today video tutorial we are going to fix a WordPress critical error, an issue that can break your entire website and lock you out of the admin panel. It is usually appear as a white screen where the messaging says that there has been a critical error on this website. This error can happen due to plugin issue, theme error, or most commonly mistake in your code. In my case, the issue was caused by missing semicolon in the function.php file. So let's get started to fix this issue. Access your website file using file manager and cpanel. In my case, my site is hosted on the local server XAMPP. So I'm gonna click on XAMPP. Inside the XAMPP, I'm gonna click on htdocs. And inside the htdocs, this one is my WordPress project. So I'm gonna click on WordPress. And here I'm gonna click on WP content, and then I'm gonna click on themes. Inside the themes, I'm gonna click on the active theme. So in my case, the active theme is 2025. So I'm gonna click on 2025 theme, and inside the theme you will see the function.php. So I'm gonna open with the text. So let's click on text editor, and here you will see the function.php code. So these are all the code. It's the bottom of this code you will see a function broken code. Okay, so this problem is caused by this function. Here you will see the semicolon is missing at the end of the line, right? So I'm gonna write here the semicolon, and let's back to the WordPress site and refresh my site. So first I'm gonna save it and then refresh my site. Here you will see the error as fixed, right? So you can fix this error. So let's try to remove the semicolon as the error caused by this semicolon. So I'm gonna remove it, and now I'm gonna refresh the site again. Okay, you will see there is been a critical error on this website. So this error is occurred due to the missing of the semicolon. So I'm again put the semicolon, and let's save the file and then refresh. Now the error has been fixed. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.